Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send TRX from Tangem Wallet to Arculus Wallet in 2025. If you're into Tron cryptocurrency, you know how important it is to move your assets securely between wallets. This process has gotten even smoother with updated interfaces, so whether you're a beginner or a pro, I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's dive in. First things first. Make sure you have both your Tangem Wallet and Arculus Wallet set up and connected to their respective apps. You'll need the latest versions to ensure compatibility with 2025's blockchain updates. Start by opening the Tangem Wallet app on your device. Once you're in, navigate to your TRX holdings. This is usually found in the Assets or Portfolio section. Look for the TRX icon. Next, select the TRX you want to send. You'll see an option like Send or Transfer. Tap that, and it will prompt you to enter the recipient's wallet address. Now, switch over to your Arculus Wallet app and find your receiving address. Copy that address carefully. Double-check it to avoid any costly mistakes, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Once you paste the address into the Tangem app, enter the amount of TRX you want to send. Remember to leave a little extra for network fees, which might be around 1 to 2 TRX depending on blockchain congestion in 2025. Review the transaction details thoroughly, then confirm it using your Tangem hardware wallet for added security. You'll likely need to verify with a PIN or biometric scan. After confirmation, sit tight while the transaction processes. This could take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the Tron network. Once it's done, check your Arculus wallet to confirm the TRX has arrived. If you run into issues, like a pending transaction, try restarting the apps or checking for network errors. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred TRX between wallets. This method keeps your funds safe and secure. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop a comment below if you have questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay crypto savvy.